Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how go make a game pass on an iPad. So go to Safari. Type in Roblox and log in if you need to. At the top there will be an AA, click that and press desktop. Now type in, or if you have a tab open already, cute pictures. That was an example. You can type in anything you want. Okay, I'll take a screenshot and adjust it, only show the photo. Just like I'm doing here. Now save to photos, and I forgot to say that this can also work on Apple phone as well. Sorry, I was just trying to find the right tab but lost it, so I'm just doing it again. Sorry for the wait. Okay, now press create. You will see a list of things. You will see passes and click that. You will see choose file, press that and click photo library. Now click the screenshot that you took and press use. Now rename it, and if you want you can add a description. Now press preview. Then verify upload. Mine was wrong for some reason, but I got it back. Now you will see on the side you might have to slide it to the left to settings button. If you want to sell it you can, and I will show you how to. Click sales and click the button next to item for sale. Now give it a price. I don't know if there is a limit. Now press save, and there you go, you have made a game pass.